Hi folks, hope you're all doing well. This week we are heading down to the southern end of the Kintyre Peninsula for a few days. Let's see how it goes. Down in Campbelltown there's a memorial to Paul McCartney's late wife Linda, but unfortunately it was closed that day, so I've just kind of peered through the fence. Also, the day that we went into Campbelltown there was an RNLI kind of gala day, which was quite good. That's us down at Dunaverte Bay. Spectacular place. Can't wait to see this bit. This is the best bit. How cool does that look? Let's go and get a closer look. So we've walked a bit further along. This is Bruniken Bay. Stunning. Turn around here and you can see it. Awesome place. wee fishing boat out there. And that's the roaring caves up there, although it's not actually caves, but he sees that cam today that there will be no roaring. Mandy's away ahead. She's not into the YouTube thing. And she's there. Anyway, back to the van and get some rolls and sausage. I'm going to go find another beach. This one's Keel Beach. Beaches all over the place here. Have a look. Forgot to bring the surfboard as well. What a place.